Alright, just show you the ditch. It's going to be our French drain, the first attempt at one, and we'll see if it's going to work. But yeah, all this is clay. First few inches has got sod, but got a lot of clay. You can see the grayish color and kind of reddish. You get down here, we got a lot of roots because of the trees. Had some roots because of that tree. So we're gonna have a basin in the middle, basin on the end, perforated pipe all the way down to about here, and then it's going to be solid pipe from here the rest of the way. And when we get down there about where it's at now, because I'm hitting a rock that used to be riff-raff down through there, and then they poured that concrete, so I'll just go ahead and make my pop-up there. It's going to just run down through the grass and then down the drain. And hopefully they'll take care of my drainage issue, because I've been having a lot of water running off this hillside, and the water runs down, and of course there was a hump, and I had this all tilled up to get rid of the hump, and it would just kind of go over that hump and run down through the yard, because it's so much clay, it just has no place to go. So it would go down against the house, under the house, down through the driveway, down through the yard. So hopefully this right here will take care of the problem. That's my goal. So I've watched a guy online called Apple Drains, and he got a lot of good YouTube videos and very helpful information. He tells you all the ins and outs, so it's helped quite a bit. So try to do some more videos as we finish this up, and maybe it'll help some other people. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, but hopefully it will. If you have a similar problem, it's not costed really that much for the pipe and the drains and everything. The catch basins with the drain caps, about around 10-12 bucks with the cap. They actually come separate, so you have to buy the basin and then buy the cap. So I got 3 of them, 2 that are T's, and then one that's just a end to start it with, and perforated pipe, and I've got to buy a bunch of gravel, which isn't super expensive, and that's what we will finish it up with. So I think the hard part, for the most part, is done, in my opinion. So I'll try to do another video and show you guys what we do as we put in the perforated pipe and the gravel and the catch basins, and smooth this all out, sow some grass, and call it good. So yep, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe. Got any comments, concerns, feel free to put them in the comment area. You guys have a great day.